It's incredibly exciting to come here in the GT category. I grew up with Porsche. It's such a big challenge, it's so hard. Car manufacturers have been coming here ever since the race was created, so it's got this honor and prestige.
I'm really honored and proud to drive this special car, to drive for Porsche, for Le Mans, for the biggest race in the world. Yeah, we'll go for it.
It's just magical to come here in the summertime and race in Le Mans and go out on the open road with these amazing machines. Le Mans is special in the fact that you can never test here. So the only time we ever get to test is this one day a year. It's a pretty important day for us.
Porsche back. We've left LMP racing, but our full focus has now gone on to GT again. Resources and all the people are fully involved with trying to get one of these cars to the top of the podium.
The history of Porsche and racing with Porsche is a lot about customer racing. We are very proud that we have again 6 Porsche customers racing here from all over the world.
We've got 1/6 of the cars on the grid, so we've got lots of teammates.
Everyone in the crowd's going to hear 10 of these fantastic machines. I don't know if it's going to be very good for us trying to sleep in the night or any of the crew. Definitely you know when one Porsche passes by.
Unreal to see that many cars on track. Every time I overtake cars or I driving with other cars is a Porsche.
To be making my debut here, only my second year with Porsche, it's very exciting and something that I never thought would happen so quickly.
It's been a really good day. We worked a lot. We improved the car throughout the day. The feeling was great during the afternoon. We think we have a great race car and we feel ready.